So very good evening guys. Today we are back with an easy problem, and today's problem state deals with arrays, and this is one of those statements which you will get in companies which ask basic questions in their coding rounds like TCS and Infosys and some of them. So in Cognizant and Deloitte and all those things. So these questions are just to check your analytical skills, and these questions are basically based on your fundamentals and how strong your fundamentals are. So this question is easy. Okay, this is an easy level question. What we are going to do is we are going to learn about arrays. We are going to learn about a technique called binary search, and our question today is to find uh, index of extra extra element. Okay, so what is the question? So if we say, for example, we are having an array. Okay, and in this array there are elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, 12. Okay, so if I check now there will be another array. So this array will have, say, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Now my job is to check what element extra is present in this particular array than this particular array. So if you see, element 9 is present in this array extra. So I can write extra val equals to 9. I can write extra val equals to 9. Next what? Next what I am going to do? Next what I'm going to do is I'm going to return the index of this particular value. So the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the extra value index output equals to 7. So what are we going to do basically? So we are going to write the algorithm over here. So in the algorithm, what we can basically see is that we have to take say integer return type function, and say the function name is extra element. We have to take the length of the arrays. So if you check the length of the array as int n, int m, the length of the two arrays. Okay, we can also take the two arrays as arr1 int, and you can take arr of 2. Okay, and so yeah, like this. So then we are going to use mid value, int mid value equals to, we can write left plus right minus of left. So I will write it over right minus of left by 2 to find the mid value. Next what we are going to do is we are going to check if arr1 of mid equals to arr2 of mid. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to store the value, right? So I can write it as, I will have two pointers, left and right. So I can write it as right equals to first I am going to write about the left. So I will just write it over as left equals to mid plus 1, or else I can write it as right equals to mid minus 1, and I'm going to return the mid value. Okay, so this was the algorithm for what we can write it as binary search. Okay, you can just look up to Google what is binary search. It has a very good time complexity, and it helps you search an element present in a given array and return its index. So if I return mid, no, I have to return left in order to find out the index of this particular element. So let's go to the coding and implementation part. So first, in this coding and implementation part, what I'm going to do is int, I will take a left value as 0, and take a left value as 0, and take a right value as n minus 2. While loop will be there, left less than equals to right. I'm going to take an int mid equals to left plus right minus left by 2. Okay, now I'm going to check ARR1 of mid is equals to ARR2 of mid. Then what I'm going to do? I'm going to do is I'm going to do there will be left pointer, right? So left equals to mid plus 1, else what I'm going to do is uh, right equals to mid minus 1. So I've completed the else, the whiles, and return left. Just compile, submit. So we have successfully completed today's problem statement and we have earned 8 gig big points. So this was an easier problem statement. I hope you all could solve this on your own as well. And we are looking forward to solve more videos. Thank you.